In this video, you'll learn how to sell Notion templates on Stan's store. By the end of this guide, you will have set up your product listing and made it available for purchase. Begin by navigating to your store page. Look for the option labeled My Store in the main menu. Once you click on this option, you will be directed to your store dashboard where you can manage your products. Next, locate and click on the button that says Plus Add Product. This action will prompt a new window to open, allowing you to choose the type of product you wish to add. Select Digital Product from the available options to proceed. After selecting Digital Product, you will need to enter the product name. Make sure to include the phrase Notion template in the title. For example, you could use Weekly Planner Notion template. This specification helps potential buyers understand exactly what they are purchasing. Following the product name, you will be prompted to write a description, clearly describe the product as a Notion template. An example could be a ready-to-use Notion template for organizing your weekly tasks and goals, fully compatible with Notion. This clarity is essential for informing customers about the product's purpose. Once you have filled in the product name and description, set the price for your Notion template, consider the value you are providing, and research similar products to determine a competitive price point. Next, you will need to upload a file. This can be a PDF or zip file that contains the Notion template link or any necessary instructions for the buyer. Ensure that the file is correctly formatted and not too large, as larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. After successfully uploading the file, look for the button labeled Publish. Clicking this will finalize your product listing. You may see a loading indicator while the product is being published, so wait for confirmation that the process is complete before navigating away from the page. By including Notion template in both the name and description, you are making it clear to buyers what they are purchasing. This attention to detail can help increase your sales and improve customer satisfaction.